Welcome back to Equals TV, Algebra on the Go. So ang pag-uusapan po natin for today is division of rational numbers, grade 7 math. So we have three examples here. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 1. Okay, so we have 1 over 2 divided by 5 over 6. So we will apply three steps here to solve division of rational numbers. So before we start the process, so let's assume 1/2, the first fraction. Then this is the operation, which is division. Then 5 over 6. Let's assume the second fraction. Okay, so equals. Okay, so let's start. So let's apply the first step. Okay, so the first step is to copy the first fraction. So we have 1/2. Okay, so let's have a copy here. 1 over 2. Then, second step, convert division into multiplication. So, ibig sabihin po, yung division, palitan po natin ng multiplication. Okay, so magiging multiplication na po yan dito. Then, the third step, invert the second fraction. Okay, so i-invert po natin itong 5 over 6. So, ibig sabihin po, babaliktarin po natin. So, yung 6 mapupunta sa taas, yung 5 mapupunta po sa ilalim. Okay, so let's invert. 6 mapupunta po sa taas, then over, so yung 5 mapupunta na po dito sa ilalim. So, equals, okay, so let's multiply. Okay, so let's multiply first the numerators. Okay, so 1 times 6. Okay, so we have 1 times 6. Then over. Okay, so let's apply the denominators. Okay, 2 times 5. So we have 2 times 5. Okay, so equals 1 times 6. That is 6. Over 2 times 5. That is 10. Okay, so, this is not yet the final answer. So, pwede pa po natin itong i-simplify. So, i-reduce po natin ito into lowest term. Okay, so let's have the factors of 6. Okay, so equals. Okay, so ang factors po niyan is 3 times 2 over. So, ang factors po ng 10 is 5 times 2. Then, canceled. So, equals, we have 3 over 5. Okay, so this is the final answer, 3 over 5. Okay, so example number 2, negative 2 over 9 divided by negative 4 over 3. Okay, so let's assume negative 2 over 9, the first fraction. Okay, lagyan natin na number 1 dito. And negative 4 over 3. Okay, so the second fraction. Okay, so equals. So let's apply the three steps. Okay, so the first step, let's copy the first fraction. So we have negative 2 over 9. Then convert division into multiplication. Okay, so magiging multiplication na po dito. Then invert the second fraction. Okay, so yung 4 over 3, invert po natin. So babaliktarin po natin. So yung 3, mapupunta po sa taas. Yung negative 4, mapupunta po sa ilalim. Okay, so yung 3, mapupunta sa taas. Then over, yung negative 4, mapupunta po sa ilalim. Okay, equals. Then let's multiply. Negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 3 over 9 times negative 4. Then equals negative 2 times 3. So that is negative 6 over, so 9 times negative 4. That is negative 36. Okay, so equals. Okay, so this is not yet, no, the final answer. Okay, so pwede pa po itong i-simplify. So, we will reduce this into lowest term. Okay, so let's have the factor of, factors of negative 6. So, we have negative 6 times 1 over So, ang factors po ng negative 36, that is negative 6 times 6. Okay, so canceled. So, equals 1 over 6. Okay, so this is the final answer. 1 over 6. Okay, so example number 3. So, we have negative 4 over 3 divided by 7. Then, let's assume negative 4 over 3, our first fraction. Then, 7, the second fraction. Actually, ito pong 7, meron pong over 1 yan dito. Okay? So, equals. Okay? So, apply the 3 steps. Okay? So, yung pong first step, i-apply natin. Okay? So, let's copy the fraction or the first fraction. So, we have negative 4 over 3. Then, convert division into multiplication. So, magiging multiplication na po dito. Okay, so let's invert the second fraction. So, 7 over 1. So, yung 1 mapupunta sa taas, yung 7 mapupunta po sa ilalim. Okay? Times 1 nasa taas, over 7 nasa ilalim na po. Equals, okay, so let's multiply. Negative 4 times 1. Negative 4 times 1 over, so 3 times 7. 3 times 7. Equals, so negative 4 times 1, we have negative 4 over 3 times 7, that is 21. Okay? So, equals 4 over 21. So, yung negative, ilalagay po natin sa gitna. Okay? So, negative 4 over 21. So, this is the final answer. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this topic. And don't forget to like and subscribe.